as he points it at me. Jesus, I'm down to 37 minutes left on my phone before it won't record. I may have to get a new phone or buy more freaking memory. Am I in your way? Ooh, that shit's hot. I can feel it. Oh, Jesus, you're even doing that with your left. Are you ambidextrous?
No, I can just use both hands.
Isn't that what ambidextrous is?
Yes.
I was trying to impress you with my knowledge of big words.
It didn't work.
It didn't work. Son of a gun. Oh, God. Careful, that's hot. So that's what you wanted it to be?
A pasty liquid.
Pasty liquid. Careful, that's hot. Your brush is right there.
That's what I want right there.
So what does that do again? I know you told me once, but it helps the solder to flow?
The silver solder to flow.
I could say something, but I'm not going to. Am I in your way?
No.
Oh, it's a wire? Oh, nice.
Silver solder.
I don't know. I've never even seen it. I thought it was like a stick or something like that you put in the stick welder.
No.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, this is getting dangerous. At least for me. Good thing I'm here again. I'm wondering how long it's going to be before you throw me out.